we set out from Los Cabos, aboard the Belle Amie, so far offshore off to explore the deep blue briny sea. Our destination 'twas a magic archipelago, a place that all the locals call Revillagigedo. San Benedicto was the first location we did dive. The site was called El Cañon, and its waters were alive, with dolphins, mantas, schools of fish, and sharks of many sort, reminding us how fortunate we are to love our sport. There, from the blue, a manta flew caught up in fishing gear. We thought that it was doomed, and for its life we all did fear. Dive Master Martin saved the creature, cutting off the rope. The beast is free, and through the sea can fly with peace and hope. Our next stop was a spire of rock, far out of sight of land. Roca Partida is its name, so small and yet so grand. Its crystal waters let us all behold a wondrous sight. A gentle giant whale shark brought us joy and delight. Then to Isla Socorro, with the good ship and its crew, we dived at Cabo Pierce and at Punta Tosca too, where late at night we snorkeled in a sea so deep and dark, to laugh and play the night away with many a silky shark. Then back to Benedicto, where the pangas braved the surge, to drop us at the boiler and to satisfy our urge for dolphins in the morning and mantas all around. Mantas front and back and left and right and up and down. And finally to El Cañon, the place where it all started, for 2 last dives, then sadly, back for home we all departed. So if you are a diver and adventure's what you seek, just book a trip with Nautilus for at least one glorious week. For no one on the planet will take better care of you when you are on the Belle Amie with her amazing crew.